Hello there, welcome to the exercise 4 of this free tutorial on how to become a professional graphic designer. So today we are going to consider shape editing command as our topic. Alright, so without wasting time, since I have selected the shapes here already, that's why you are seeing the shape commands on the property bar. If I didn't select any of these, you will not see it available. So it only appear when you click on your shape. Alright, so this is my shape. There are 8 shapes, both the cyan and the red color into 8 because we have 8 different shape editing command. So that's why I duplicated it into 8. So let's get started. Alright, this is the first one I select here. This is cyan color and the red color, and the first command I have here is combine, which the shortcut key is Ctrl L. So combine objects into single object with common properties. So as the name implies, the property of the first one will affect the second one because it is now one, so it becomes one object. But note, using this combine is not like group. Like if I group it now, group will just group. Group is just like a kind of command that attach two or three things together to become one, but yet maintaining their same properties, their same features. Alright, but when I say combine, combine will only make them become one with the same properties. Are you seeing this? And yet it will now show you where the power of combine is holding it, which is this white box that is now showing here. This is where the power is connecting them together. So the second one here is what? The weld. According to the name weld, it combines objects together to become just particular one object. Do you see this one now? There is no difference in angle, there is no difference in the joint. It just automatically welded together without you knowing that this thing was actually different objects. All right, so this is the third one here is saying that trim. Now trim cut off the portion from the down. It affects the portions of the down image. It trims off the portion which the upper image have to have a contact with the down image. It cut it off. And now let me push it up so that you see. Are you seeing that the portion that was hidden is the one that trims? Is the one that will be trimmed off. Do you understand? The portion that was hidden will be the one to be trimmed off. While intersect, the next one there is intersect. Intersect is the command. Intersect is a command that happens between where the objects come to get their contacts together. It intersects only the place which the object came to have contact together. Are you seeing this right now? So I'll do shift page up. You can see this intersect. It intersected the object where they came to have contact together. Right, so this is another one. This one is known as simplify. All right, so simplify is just like the trim. It's also known as the trim. They serve to do the same duty. All right, so the next one is front minus back. Remove the back object from the front. All right, so the back object from the front, which was the cyan color, has been removed. Also cutting out the part of the back object which has already been in contact with the upper object. Alright, so that's that for the front minus. So the other one is opposite of the front minus. Back minus front, remove object from the back object. That it only deals with the back object but cut off the contaction point, but cut off the intersection point which the upper object was together with it. Okay, so these are simple tools. This one now is to create boundary. All right, it creates boundary. You can see that there was no outline on it, but when I selected it and click on that, it created a boundary, and I can take out the boundary to do whatever thing I need. So with time, we are going to use all of these command combined together to create things like a simple teacup like this. All right, so let's dive into the next tutorial.